Hey y'all, Vince McDonald here, right here at Broken Wire. We been pretty busy today. We had a little trip down to East Vida. We bought a couple of balers, a couple of John Deere balers here for next year's hay season. We got them home. It was kind of went without incident. We got one home. The other one had a flat tire. We had to take it in and get fixed. Thanks to our good friends at Moto Auto for getting right on it and fixing us a tire. The boys do a pretty darn good job down there. Work pretty hard. Pretty good, honest fellas. So we got them home. Me and Katie. We kind of parked them here in the yard yet. We got a pretty good deal on them from a gal down there. A pair of John Deere 375s, round balers, and in pretty good shape. And we'll show them to you here. You know, not very many people make a smaller round bale, but we're gonna give her a try. I guess this next hay season, and they're in pretty good shape. Seems like it. One the belts aren't too good, but the other one's pretty good. Here's one standing from behind me. And there's the other one. This one here, I think, is a little newer than that one. These ones, the belts are a little stretched, but other than that, they look like they're in pretty good shape. So these are the newest additions to Broken Wire. There's our tractor we picked up, pretty reasonable, from a farmer rancher in Glasgow, Montana. You know, pretty good tractor for what we're gonna do. We'll make our way over here into the corral here. This old girl, she got a pretty good workout last night. We did a little club roping last night at RRC roping. It's actually Katie's first night of doing a little secretarian. We'll put some posts of that on here at a little later date, and maybe you all can give us a comment on it about it. But here she is. She hasn't even rolled. She's just been kind of basking in the corral here, eating a little bit, and pretty good old rope horse, boy. She pretty good heeling horse. So that's about all we're doing today. Kind of kicked back, laying by. Katie's got some supper going, so we'll probably have us a bite to eat and probably enjoy the evening. So this is Vince McDonald from Broken Wire Ranch. You all have a good one. Bye now.